वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, रेगुलर हम डाल रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज सर जीडी बिस्ट स्पीडोग्राफी से। आज हमारी एक्सरसाइज नंबर रहेगी 7 और 8, ओनली 60 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। बट आपको ये जरूर चीज़ नोट करनी है जो मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियो डली हुई है किसी भी स्पीड की। मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ कि आप पीडीएफ इसमें है, पहले प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, उसके बाद हमारे यूट्यूब से इसको लिखिए, उसके बाद ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिए, चेक कीजिए और कॉमे और फुल स्टॉप के जजमेंट को आप ध्यान में रखिए। जो हमारा एक एक्यूरेट 60 की स्पीड है उसमें हम फुल स्टॉप, कोई भी डिक्टेटर फुल स्टॉप पे थोड़ा सा आपको पोस्टर देगा, रुकेगा हल्का सा, और कॉमे पे उससे कम रुकेगा। और कुछ अंडरस्टूड कॉमेज है उनका अपना यूज कीजिए, लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश पर पकड़ कीजिए, ध्यान दीजिए। तो एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। 7 रेडी स्टार्ट। वी हैव a living democracy, but we still elect politicians with a criminal record, some of whom cannot even read or write. We select candidates based not on merit and performance or ability to deliver, but on the basis of caste, creed, vote bank, etc. We have a reasonable judiciary, but the legal system takes too long. There is a growing feeling that people in power are above the law. We have a free press and enjoy freedom of expression and speech. But the fourth estate needs to be more incisive and critical. Our industrial base is growing at an annual rate of 9%. We now produce from pins to aircraft, computers, and satellites. But we still depend on imported technology. There is hardly any research and development worth the name. We have no real new developments to our credit. Yet, Indians working abroad have earned a name for inventions. If there is so, why not in India? We badly lack adequate infrastructure, be it in the field of power, education, healthcare, or transportation. Next, exercise number 8. Rampant corruption destroys the moral fabric of the nation and hurt our pride. Besides, the policies of subsidies, reservation, and pro-labor attitude have made justice and fairness their first victims, eroding our faith not just in the system but in the nation. Subsidies have taken the country to near bankruptcy. The reservation policy has made merit. So secondary, that you find citizens actually paying more to get a certificate stating that one belongs to a particular group or community that qualifies for preference and priority over merit. The parallel economy of black money has become a part of our total economy. There is a high degree of underemployment. Millions are working in jobs well below their qualifications, training, and expertise, killing initiative. We have lost the old values and have not found new ones. In the hot pursuit of wants, money has become the operative word. The family as a unit is fast disappearing. It is not limited to me and my children. The reason for our undoing is that we have failed to check our population growth. Stop.